Now this is a part 2 of what we did earlier, and I'm going to just show you a few more hacks you can add to your presentation to make them pop. Okay, so keep watching. Now let's try to change this background, right? In case you don't want this blurry background and you want to give it something better. There's background here and we can change that right now. So we're going to scroll to the bottom because you need to know that your video has a background, however we want to. Okay, this is why anytime you change the frame, there's a background there, okay? So let us go change that background so it doesn't look so blurry, okay? I'm going to scroll to the end of this. No, it's not the end, it's over here. BG, background. Click on it, click on color, and then you can select a color. So adds more finesse to your presentation. All right, you can choose if you have your brand color and you know your color code, click this plus sign here and then type in your color code here. Okay, I guess this works for us. Return, you can choose any color of background. All right, I'm just playing around with this now. Choose any color of background. If you want black, you know, have fun doing this. Red. Why red? Anyway, so yes, if you want to go blur, fine. If you want to go blur all the way, fine. If you want to go, oops, but no. Anyway, so color will stick to our red. Red. Tick. Now, the same effect. Play that. So it means all through the video, the background is red. Unless you cut your video at some point, then you can change the background, okay, to that particular video clip that is standing independently. Now another hack I'm going to show you is this FX. So this adds some effect to your clip. All right, let me say you have different ideas you want to share and you want to make it a bit dramatic, move yourself around, animate yourself or the object. This is how you do it. We're going to click on FX at some point in the video. Let's see. Okay, the video is silent now. Click at FX and you can select anyone. So what does this do? That's going to blind people. So there are different FX here. There are different ways you can move yourself around at different points to make it look like wow. It could be different clips. One clip you are somewhere, the next clip you are in the office. Just use this as your transition element, okay? So some of you may have seen one of the videos I did. You may have seen this video. Let me go off and show you. I'm going to my camera gallery and then this video, I used FX to make it have that bounce and watch it. All right, so that's the whole idea with FX. You can actually just, you know, make your videos more fun and really nice to watch. Let's go back to our app. Okay, so what other options do we have here? We have cropping. We know how crop works. So if your video comes long, you will know that you have to crop it. So where's crop now? Crop it, and then you have different options down here. So we're not cropping. The next one there is rotate. You can always rotate your video if it comes the wrong way. So let's return. We don't want to rotate it. The next one there is mirror. So we want Amber to turn the other way. That's it. The next one there is flip. So it's going to go upside down. But we don't want that happening. The next one is zoom. I'll show you how zoom is so easy to use. Like zoom is sweet because I'm sure you've watched videos where at some point when a person is saying something very important, he comes closer to your face, sort of. He zooms in. Now zoom can help you get that effect, and I'm going to show you now. So let's look at somewhere. Okay, I like this. It's not by that. Okay, we're going to stop there.
Oh, you are somebody who is so intelligent. It's not by that. Okay.
Good. So okay, it's not by that. Okay, at some point now we probably want to add that zoom. So I'm going to cut the video, split, because I'm about to say something important there. Let's move on. Okay, I'm going to just stop at give your audience the value they want. Good. Split. So this is the part we want to zoom. Use your two thumbs and drag. As you can see, even when you dragged it, the keyframe came on. So let's try that.
It's not by that, okay? Give your audience the value they want. They are waiting for you.
You get the point. Sometimes you want to just zoom in, zoom out, and when you reach specific places of your video, zoom in. It just helps to not make the video look boring, and you know, those little changes here and there make it more exciting to watch. All right, you have the next option there, which is reverse. This takes a while, so I'm not going to wait for that, but you probably want to reverse some parts of your video just for the fun of it. But don't worry, we're not doing that now. And then freeze frame. So freeze frame is when you want a particular part of your frame to pause. And we're going to click on it now, freeze frame. So when we get to that point, it's going to freeze.
Give your audience the value they want. They're
Continues.
waiting for you.
All right, so same thing I can do here, freeze frame. So it chooses what it wants to freeze. As long as you put it at that point, you can always use your finger again.
See how intelligent.
Let's pause. You can use your finger again and expand that place. Okay, so I'm going to return. What have we left out? Things that will make your video fun to watch. All right, forward here is if you have objects and you want to put them one after the other. Let's see. Oh, that even moved our video behind, like made it smaller. Anyways, but I'm not sure we need that now. Okay, so have we covered everything down here? I believe we have. So that's about it for the different ways you can make your video fun. I believe you're ready to try this out, and let's see how it goes. Okay.